I've been a significant... Sorry. I've been a significant consumer, and my family has as well. But first, my administration is cracking down on junk fees for health insurance plans. And the boys, quote unquote, now the princess, my sister, had her own bedroom, as she should have. But the three boys there were two sets of bunks in the other room. And there was a closet that ran as you walked up the stairs, walked straight down the hall. You went into, quote, the boys' room, the three of us. And on the left, there was a closet in that whole wall. My parents' bed, headboard, was against that, where that closet was. And every once in a while, rarely, you could hear sort of a restlessness going on. You know, I had all the talk about I'm a big spending Biden. I lowered the deficit. $1.7 trillion in the first 2 years. No one's ever done that.
Mr. President, any update on the cocaine?
Mr. President, I cluster munitions. Why now?
We've run out of ammunition.